Herbs in general are a broad group of plant components but do not include vegetables and other plant components that are macronutrients in human nutrition, tubers, food cereals. Herbs are generally very aromatic and are used as seasonings, raw materials for perfumes, medicines, and spiritual needs. Herbs used as cooking spices can also be called spices in Indonesian, but the term herb has now also been used. 1. Herbs are a component of herb plants, 2. Namely plants with soft stems that are not woody or contain only very little woody tissue so that at the end of their growth period they die down to their base without any part of the stem remaining above the ground. Rosemary. 1. Rosmarinus officinalis is a spice and seasoning plant with the same name. For the current Indonesian generation, who do not know the name of this spice in Dutch, it is better known by its English name, rosemary. Rosemary is commonly used in Mediterranean cuisine, such as Italian, Greek/Turkish cuisine, and the Levante region. The plants are relatively drought-tolerant, and have medicinal properties as well as repellents from insects and other pests. Rosemary tea can help with rheumatic problems and flu symptoms. Citation needed 2. This plant is usually suitable for use as tea or food ingredients. This plant contains lots of calcium, iron, and vitamin B6. Citation needed 3. And the propagation of this plant is usually through grafting. Mint is a genus of plants in the family Lamiaceae. The division of species in the genus Mentana does not have clear boundaries. According to sources, the number of species can range from 13 to 24. Frequent natural crosses mean that the distributions of some species overlap. Mint leaves are rich in vitamins A, C and beta-carotene. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that the body uses in water-soluble form to prevent the growth of free radicals in the body. It is known to prevent cancer and tumor growth in the body. Basil is a small herb whose leaves are usually eaten as a salad. The aroma of the leaves is distinctive, strong but soft with a touch of lime. Basil leaves are one of the spices for peps. As fresh vegetables, basil leaves are usually eaten with cabbage leaves, cucumber slices, and chili sauce to accompany fried chicken or fish. In Thailand it is known as manglik and is also often found in local cuisine menus. Coriander is a popular spice. The small fruit is dried and traded, either crushed or not. The shape that is not crushed is similar to pepper, like small seeds with a diameter of 1–2 mm. Coriander has a distinctive aroma. Usually, this plant is grown in gardens in the lowlands and mountains. This plant can reach a height of 1.3 m. The leaves are green with serrated edges. Meanwhile, the compound interest is in the form of the white and pinned tiered umbrella. For fruit, the shape is almost round yellow in layers. When ripe, the fruit is easily knocked out. After that, the fruit is dried.